Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to GK class. In today class, we will read 5 chapter 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And in today class, you will learn about some instrumentalists related to India, India's superlative, etc. Now we are starting our chapter. Everybody open page number 20 from your GK book. Chapter number 16, India's great instrumentalist. You have to fill all this name from help box. India's classical music is praised all around the globe. इंडिया के म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट और म्यूजिक की पूरे वर्ल्ड में प्रशंसा की जाती है. वी ऑल लव म्यूजिक. इट्स मेक हैप्पी. सम ऑफ द फेमस म्यूजिशियन आर लिसन बिलो. राइट द नेम ऑफ ईच म्यूजिशियन इन द स्पेस गिवन बिलो द पिक्चर. यू मे यूज द हेल्प बॉक्स. यहाँ पे कुछ फेमस इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट की पिक्चर दी हुई है और यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के नाम भी दिए हुए हैं. आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग द पिक्चर वी हैव टू राइट नेम फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स. सो फॉर फ्लूट इंस्ट्रूमेंट फेमस है हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया. बिस्मिल्ला खान फेमस फॉर सहना इंस्ट्रूमेंट. एल सुब्रमण्यम फेमस फॉर वायलिन इंस्ट्रूमेंट. विश्वा मोहन भट्ट फेमस फॉर मोहन वीणा. हिंदराज दिवाकर फेमस फॉर रुद्र वीणा. शिव कुमार शर्मा फेमस फॉर संतूर इंस्ट्रूमेंट. अमजद अली खान फेमस फॉर सरोद इंस्ट्रूमेंट. फॉर सितार इंस्ट्रूमेंट फेमस इज पंडित रविशंकर. जाकिर हुसैन फेमस फॉर तबला इंस्ट्रूमेंट. You have to write all this name from help box. Now 17 chapter India's superlatives. Let us know about some superlatives of India. Identify and name them using the help box. You have to write all this India superlatives name from help box. So the first largest mosque in India is Jama Masjid. This is located in Delhi. Highest mountain in India is Kanchenjunga. This is located in Himalayas and the height of the Kanchenjunga is 8,586 meters. Highest waterfall in India is Vajrai waterfall. This is located in Maharashtra and the height of the Vajrai waterfall is 560 meters. Longest dam in India, Hirakund. You can see the picture of Hirakund. This is located in Odisha. Largest lake in India is Vulal Lake. This is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Largest desert in India. This is located in our Rajasthan. And the name of the largest desert in India is Thar. Longest river in India is Ganga. This is located in Haridwar. Largest airport in India is Indira Gandhi International Airport. This is located in New Delhi. Highest mandirs in India is Qutub Minar. This is located in Delhi. You have to write all this name in book only with pencil. Now please turn your page 21 to 22. In this chapter you will learn about different countries, capitals and currency name. Write the name of the capital and currency of the following countries. Take help from the boxes given below. So you can see this flag belong to China country and the capital of China is Beijing and the currency of China is yuan. This flag belong to Bangladesh country. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka and currency is taka. This flag belong to French country and the capital is Paris and the currency is euro. This flag of Sri Lanka country, capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo and currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka rupees. This flag belongs to United Kingdom country and the capital of United Kingdom is London and currency is pound. This flag is USA country, capital of USA is Washington DC and currency of USA is dollar. This flag belongs to Myanmar country and the capital of Myanmar country is Naypyidaw and the currency of Myanmar country is Kyat. This flag belongs to Japan country. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and the currency of Japan is yen. This flag belongs to Russia country. The capital of Russia is Moscow and the currency of Russia is ruble. You have to write all this name in your book with pencil from help box. Here capital and here currency name. Now chapter number 19, countries and their language. In this chapter you will know about different countries, different official language. Hindi is the official language of India. Similarly, every country has its own official language. Match the country with its official language. Write the answer in the white boxes given alongside. If you want to match this, you can match this also. Country USA. USA official language is first G. You have to match first with G. English. English language is official of USA country. Poland country official language is Polish. China country official language is Chinese. Japan country official language is Japanese. Pakistan country official language is Urdu. German country official language is German. Greece country official language is Greek. French country official language is French. Bangladesh country official language is Bengali. Sweden country official language is Swedish. Russia country official language is, you have to match this to C, Russian. I will send the photos also of this chapter after complete the chapter. Now please turn page 23 to 24. In this chapter you will learn about some great men and women of the world. So first, Louis Pasteur was a great scientist. Louis Pasteur was a great scientist. Louis Pasteur एक great scientist थे. Neil Armstrong went to the moon. Neil Armstrong कहाँ गए थे? मून पर गए थे. अमिताभ बच्चन is a great actor. Kiran Bedi was associated with police force. Don Bradman was associated with cricket. Madame Curie was a great scientist. Mother Teresa died in 1997. Abraham Lincoln was the president of USA. Swami Vivekananda was great social reformer. Gautam Buddha was born at Lumbini. You have to write all this with pencil, and this is your today homework. You have to do all this question in today homework in your GK notebook. No need to draw this picture, but you have to learn all this chapter. Chapter number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you.